Hai, Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. I am Besari bin Mak Daud, metric number 2019867904. Here I want to present about my case study topic 9. Question number 1 is FedEx. American has developed what has been called as microwave mentality. We like quick service, instant food, and fast result. Does this describe your and other member customer? Why? The microwave mentality, like many others, describe me as a customer. There is an urge in human psychology to get things instantly. They want their desire to be fulfilled as soon as possible. It's the Freudian psychodynamic approach. It is called ID by Alexander Quid and Levin in 1935. The part of the mind that want to decide to be met without a need to wait any longer or think about the ability of the resource need to. I do not imply here that the psychodynamic approach is scientifically correct. I only mean the concept of ID can to be used to signify our quick urge. The urge to get things instantly has been identified by company and their utilized in their business model. The company understand that this is one of the factors in the customer defined quality. George Davis and George 2010, page 176. Microwave mentality means the service is minimum time span. No matter the service is related to which sector, which industry, either the industry is food background like restaurant service or any carrier service like DHL, FedEx or any online website service which provide instant delivery of order. As the life is busy day by day, so the customer doesn't like to waste the time to wait the something. Either the wait is for serving of favorite food from loving restaurant or to wait a heavy movie ticket by standing a long queue. As the customer being part of the busy life and they don't want have a time to wait for something. On the other hand, the temper of every person is different from another. Everyone has different attributes relate to be some product. Most of the people prefer to eat hand-cooked food, no matter how much to hunger it. And most of the people who can control their hunger, they prefer to eat some snack, chip, and other junk food, rather wait a food till occurred by Edwin 2006. The term microwave mentality also termed as an instant response of the everything. The concept microwave mentality has been the more famous all over the world. Additionally, the concept is described by time saving. Activity that utilize to be a best time to perform another task. Most customers found all of the things which provide instant availability, like in the food. Some refer the order at the time as of the much hunger as compared to prefer pasta because the noodle take just a few minutes to cook and pasta take more than 50 minutes. And the producer of cooking pasta is also different and time consuming as compared to cooked noodle. Similarly, at the time of much hunger, some will prefer to buy ready to eat food to compare to go to restaurant, make an order of their required food and wait the order delivery to them. Moreover, the pitch or the every customer have around the globe is some as a customer belong the African country or either from Middle East regions and from any area of the world. All the customer will prefer to save time instead of investing the time in standing a long queue. There are many of their friends most of the time interest in popping to the restaurant or departmental store when there are shorter delay in delivery of service. Business has also introduced service that ensure delivery delay to be shortness. For example, in a different restaurant and departmental store, there are self-service counter. This has a result in a business to satisfy the customer as well as many on-sale assistant on the checkout. In brief, customers of American have developed what is called microwave mentality that love fast service, fast food and fast result. They feel that they be microwave mentality customers sometimes for the most part the prefer quality over instant result, but there are times when the instant result and great. For example, during the lunch, it's easy to able to go to fast food place that like the McDonald's and have your food ready and to you in 5 minutes or less. Also being able to run in and out to the store is nice too. What it relates to the FedEx service is rather more focus the desire for the company to fully this sign waiting the time, the lead the time of the parcel and item for the delivering is a part of what customer judge as mean certification in the service itself. In conclusion, it say that this busy person always prefer to avail the best service in minimum time as compared to wait for a long time duration of time. Thank you.